I think when it comes to specialization, I think it's a attribute now that continues to be more focused, as we get further along in our field. Potentially one of the downsides is, practicing in New York City, is that I really enjoy all areas and aspects of spine. And so as many surgeons now, or many specialists in general, become more and more focused, I do think that by performing essentially every spine operation there is, whether it be cervical spine in terms of fusions, obviously, and disc replacements. I think cervical spine arthroplasty is one of my things that I've done a lot of, mostly because I was in the military for 17 years. We had a lot of young, healthy patients that could really benefit from that technology. Spinal deformity is my training, and I do a lot of complex cases and a lot of complex revision cases. But then I also do minimally invasive surgery, and as well as robotic integration with fusions and placement of screws and different things, as well as innovation. But I really feel that by doing all these areas of spine surgery, it really helps me with the other ones. And the reason I say that is because I perform a surgery where we go and we do a surgery in the lateral position or on the side, where we take out the disc and put cages in to help the patients fuse. But I use a very similar technique as I use in the cervical spine. And so by doing cervical spine surgery, it helps me then extrapolate that technique to other areas of the spine. And when I do really small surgeries, like minimally invasive surgeries, I do a better job of that because I'm used to doing really large scoliosis and kyphosis corrections as well. And so I think those things continue to sort of motivate me to extrapolate and take some of the smaller surgeries I do, or bigger surgeries, and use that technology and that ability or technique in other areas. And so I think from this standpoint, I just want to continue to try to do all these surgeries well. And if I get at some point where I feel like I want to specialize a little bit more, I think that's an option. But I really do enjoy everything at this point. And I do think that by doing everything, it really, allows me to utilize all those abilities in different areas.